Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be looking at the Chain Guardian's traffic light chart. Okay, so look at the big macro picture first of all. Where are we kind of overall since it started? This was back in March 2021. So high of $4.30 all the way down to around the 10 cents area. And we're back up and running it again. It did get up to around about 260, came back down, it's hit support. So we're finding kind of good support here, and it looks as if it's going to go on another leg up for Chain Guardians. Obviously, Chain Guardians got Chain Boost, and it's produced a number of really successful IDOs. So that's going to really push the price higher as well. But not only that, they're going to be releasing the game soon as well. Remember, Chain Guardians have got a game out as well that's going to be big too. And plus, they've got all these contacts and all these partnerships as well. So this, in my mind, no doubt is going to be huge. It is huge just now, but it's going to get even bigger. So we know the fundamentals are brilliant. So let's look at the TA very, very quickly. So this is a traffic light chart. So this is a basic, simple TA that everybody should know. Even if you're not into TA, you should still know the basics of this. So we're looking at support, resistance, and kind of highs and the next resistance area as well. So this is a macro view. You can see here we're forming a nice kind of upward trend here as well. We'll just put a line in here to show that upward trend. So we can see we're forming that nice upward trend here just now. But there's another kind of micro upward trend as well, which we'll be looking at. So we'll take this off for the moment. We'll zoom in a little bit here as well. So this is what's been happening since the end of August, beginning of September. So we came all the way down. We've hit support 4 or 5 times now. This is strong support here around about the 80 cents area. So it's kind of bounced off that numerous occasions. So that looks to be really strong support, which is really good. It did form a resistance there of around about $1.57. It's broken through that now, and it looks as if it's going to be using that as a support area just now. So we'll zoom in a little bit more. And this is on the 4-hourly chart. So if we go to the daily and look at the chart there, you can see it clearer that this is clear resistance there. Broken through that, and it should now kind of test that resistance area again. Usually when you break through a resistance area, you kind of go up, then you come back to retest that area as a new support, and then hopefully bounce from there. And the next area we want to go up to is the $2.30 range. So looks like it's going to come back down here to test around about the $1.57, bounce from that, and then start going up to the $2.30 area, which is ultimately what we're looking for. Gaming just now is absolutely huge. Chain Guardians is in the thick of all the GameFi stuff that's going on, with all the NFT stuff that's going on, with kind of Chain Boost they've got going on as well. They're incubating other gaming tokens as well. So this continues to get stronger and stronger and stronger. Fundamentals get stronger. TA gets stronger all the time as well. And as I said, we've got another little line here kind of going up in a kind of steeper trajectory here just now. If you see this, it's forming this kind of support area, or this support line here. So this is an ascending support line here, which you can see. So if we can keep on going at this rate, we should hopefully get to around about the $2.30 by the end of November. If not before then. We know how crypto is and how quickly it can go as well. So news coming out all the time. This looks brilliant, and I'm really excited about what Chain Guardians has got going on just now. So time to look at Chain Guardians again if you haven't already. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.